While you are pre trouble, me I take a shorty. I'm living my best life. They only back on our website. Vex cause we eating, while they in the feelings. Me jump on the next flight.
Okay guys, so before we get into the vlog, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe because I'm trying to make a family and that's on period. So today my friend SEIRRA, she pulling up on me. I missed her so much. And yeah, we're just gonna go to the mall. We're gonna go chill, eat, and just take in each other's energy because it's been like a month since we've seen each other. And yeah, I just miss shorty so much. That's what we're gonna go do, and I will see y'all at the mall. Yeah. Ooh, the lighting is so bad. I cannot see. Hey,
I didn't hear the words. I
didn't hear the words either.
I'm not gonna lie, my brain registered blonde, and I'm like, none of us are blonde, so.
But yeah, so today I have a special guest.
Hello.
Ew. I found a friend, guys. I found a friend. But yeah, so.
Found the friend or a friend found you?
No, Shorty found me. Cause you came to me. But yeah, no, so she came all the way from North Bumblefuck.
Rockland.
Let's cross. Oh, can we cross? Or is it so oh, yeah!
TJ Maxx first?
TJ Maxx first! If y'all know about TJ Maxx, y'all not doing good.
Decisions. Which one to get?
Oh, this isn't what I thought it was. This is for like when you put it under your eye. I thought it was like pink patches. Okay. Shampoo. Definitely need conditioner.
What is that?
This? It's a curl activator. I definitely need you in here. Because we would be teething.
Oh, baby.
Oh, it only comes with three. Oh. Oh, this is cute. Life is such a great adventure. Oh, that's pretty good.
Nani?
Put that in its place. Please. Sanitizer, bitch. What? Hand sanitizer, hand sanitizer.
Hey.
Hand sanitizer, what? Get your little mask up in here. Get your little mask up in here. What? Shorty really said, put like Will and Jada. I'm not gonna hold you. When I get my own apartment, everything is coming from Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls.
Oh, when I get my own apartment, no one will know where I live.
Hey.
I mean, you would know. I'm not trying to move.
No. You got hold on. Hello. Oh, behind it? Okay, I want to go this way. Waste of $4. I am.
Well, I'm not really in the mood to buy new shoes today.
Not shoes, but like, why would this focus? The disrespect. Can you afford one of those things? If y'all need cheap hair care, black cheap hair care, definitely. Oh, that's a cute orange bag. You're not gonna buy it.
I'm not. It's $34. But it is cute. Come to Marshalls.
Are you an advertiser now?
I should be.
Now this. Ooh, intensive hydrating conditioner. $10. Seriously, any shampoos, sis?
Crazy. I feel like they have more black options in the Long Island Marshalls.
Yeah.
Than here.
Which is shocking because it's a Long Island.
Shocking.
This whole aisle was black hair care. Well, they had one specific aisle for black hair care. Now it's just like they're mixed in with like the white girl products. No offense, the other products. Cause I know not. No, cause I know white girl. No, cause I know like black people use specific ones, and then everybody else uses everything else. That's just that. My friend, Sierra, Marco. What's over here? No, obviously, but like
Nothing really good.
same shit from downstairs. These are really cute. Yo, when I mean shorty does not have a pimple on her face.
That's not true.
That is. She has the best skin out of all of us.
But I got like
Drop your
white.
drop your
white
skin. Drop your skincare routine. How about that?
Y'all gonna hate me. I'm gonna say it is
Water and
cranberry juice.
Jesus.
And
Cranberry juice with a pom pom. Those are so cute.
the top?
Yeah, that would have been perfect for homecoming. Cool. I said, do you want to go in the skincare aisle or look at like the apartment stuff that we can only wish for?
Oh, let's look at the apartment stuff that we can only wish for.
They used to have better furniture. I don't know what this is. I don't know what these are.
I'm not gonna say this is so much for a caddy.
Yeah,
can
like
make this.
people put those in their bathrooms and I don't get it.
These are, but put these in a cute little basket or something.
Oh, if y'all don't know, she's a fake interior decorator.
Just a little.
Like not even on me. Like I be saying that in Sims. She's actually.
I try a little thing. I try something. Honestly, these two pair of legs.
What? This and that?
This and this. I just want plants. We
Like
should start with succulents.
it's like a hint. We had no wait. Are those the plants that don't need water?
They don't need.
You know what happened? I accidentally watered them and they died.
See?
It was
That's
an
your
ac-
problem.
it was an accident. Listen, cause I thought you were supposed to water them. No one told me that. Oh, that's beautiful.
That's pretty.
I love black art.
Lid
This
Town,
is
PJ
so
Masks.
cute.
Ooh, those are nice.
This is
I'd have
so-
that in my home.
Like everyone has their own little cup.
I want to see. I'd have this in my home. Peaches are so cute.
Guys, I want a family. I'm an only child.
Are we trying to move in a 2-bedroom together?
Yo, can I get you pregnant?
Maybe.
Just one baby. Just one. Oh, I'm sorry. Yo, you know when guys are like, oh, I want to get you pregnant? That's a threat.
Absolute threat.
That is
Don't
a
listen
threat.
to them. They're trying to ruin your life,
Period.
and
No, you know what it is?
you
It's
get
the,
stuck with the baby.
it's the guys that they don't want to cuff you, but they want you to be around forever. Forever. They're like, I don't want to be with shorty, but I want her.
In my life, no matter how.
No matter how.
How I got to, I will make a baby with her just so that she has to be in my life, and she gotta bring me to court, and I don't pay my child support.
No, because you know niggas like to fuck their baby mamas. I watch Love and Hip Hop. I see everything. I see everything. Y'all not slick. Y'all not. I fell in love. I know we're on a rant about niggas, but I fell in love.
You and these masks.
I hate you. Shorty said my new rolling tray. That's how you know you smoke too much. This one's Japanese. Oh, I forgot how to read. I don't know the kanji. If y'all ever learned or tried to learn Japanese, this is mostly kanji. Oh. So right now we hopped into Home Goods. This guy, I don't have my camera out, but Sierra was talking wild to this guy that was trying to get my information.
I didn't talk wild. He brought up Cash App, okay? I just said send her something.
I'm
It's a
sorry.
catch.
I'm sorry.
If you don't grab her now,
Whoop.
I'm fucking lost.
I forgot there's glass in here.
Yeah, you need to watch out. You can't pay for anything.
No, that's a fact. That's a dead fact. Doggy stuff. Yo, I would treat my dog so good. This bread, all for you, baby. All for you.
I want to be a guinea pig mom, and I was buying
This
them.
bitch on her guinea pig. Squeak!
Yes,
Squeak!
they speak and they're so cute.
You know we in the baby aisle, right?
I love it. I don't like the look of it, but the feel of it is nice. It looks like popcorn.
I wish we could have gotten that scarf at Century 21.
Oh, if it was $10.
If it was $10, Yo, Century 21 don't make no sense. So basically what happened, they said 50% off, 30% off, everything must go. You know what they did? They marked up the prices and then they were like, oh, it's a sale. So you mark up the price and then it's at its original price in the first place. So technically it's not a sale. Who is this? Oh, Winston Churchill. I don't know, anytime they make things of white people, you gotta check. I don't trust them. Could be some Confederate person.
That's a fact.
Okay, work it, turn, what, ooh, they not ready.
Give me an L.
What's that spell? Love. Towards Marco Kors, my love.
Yeah. Oh, my love, we're not buying anyone. I'm stretching my mask off for a second.
Breathe.
Woo! Actually, you know what? This is the time you should see my whole face.
Oh yeah, she's mad pretty, guys. No, go, there we go. Oh my god, look at dark skin queen. Nah, you shitting me? What, the lashes?
You probably didn't even gain any.
I can't see, I don't know what I'm looking at, but hi guys. Niggas are just skipping school for real, for real.
That's probably why that lady was asking us what we doing outside.
This lady saw us in the elevator and she thought we were high school students, and I'm like, we're definitely not.
Man.
I could definitely do a lot.
Yeah, couch. I
Seniors.
can't wait to get out.
Bro, I'm not gonna hold you. It feels like we left already. Like I graduated already. This is grad school. That's how it feels like, because I'm home. I miss my dorm room. I miss the sneaky links.
Oh, I miss not having sneaky links.
Yeah, she was cuffed all throughout college. But I'm not even gonna hold you. Okay, Boss Market's this way and Red Lobster's this way.
Yeah.
Red Lobster? Yeah. Okay. So I'm not gonna hold you. You didn't miss much.
That's the thing. I keep telling myself I did.
No, like you really didn't miss much. Like if you wanted to be stressed out by guys that would bug you to like mess around with you and be with you, and then once they got you, they're like, I don't want this anymore.
And Kaylani, like once you got her, you just done fucked up.
Yeah.
On Valentine's Day and has kisses on the other bitch. Like,
but we're only 21, so it's really like whatever. You know Taraji's 50, right? Shorty just broke off her engagement and I'm like shook.
she did.
I'm shook.
She did to that cheating ass nigga.
Oh, he cheated on her?
Yes.
What is wrong with y'all?
These niggas don't want to be kept.
They really don't. Y'all just want to be thoughts forever. That's
And that's
fine.
fine.
That's fine.
Stay out there.
Stay out there in these
Don't
streets.
bother me.
That's period.
Don't call me when you homeless.
I'm crying. No, don't call us when your baby mama leaves you. Oh, you were the best one. You treated me the best. Yeah, I know. The
I
fuck.
honestly can see that happening.
No, that's happened. No, bro, that's happened to me. New York is very weird. It was so chilly when we left. And now it's warm. And now we're sweating. Like. We just got back from the mall and I was just chilling in my house, and yeah, so I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here because we about to play Among Us and then she gotta go because it's rush hour. Yeah, so it was nice bringing y'all along with me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you know we trying to build a family out here, you feel me? Exactly.
Welcome to the community.
I don't know what to call them yet.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out. But yeah, so don't forget to check my girl out on Instagram and Resin Design. Her little resin company. Get your little earrings. Show them the earrings, honey. Ew. Period.